हेलो फ्रेंड्स। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो गाइस, जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता होगा कि हमने अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पर एक न्यू सीरीज शुरू करी है सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज की। अगर आप लोगों को हमारी सीरीज और वीडियो लेक्चर्स पसंद आ रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to install an IDE on your PC. So अगर आप लोगों को नहीं पता है कि एक आईडी क्या होती है तो लेट मी टेल यू। एन आईडी इज कॉल्ड इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट किट, एंड in my previous video I have also told you that for this entire series we are going to use an IDE called CodeBlocks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download it. So without wasting any time, let's download it. So the first step that you have to do is to go to your web browser and just type code blocks in the search box. After that, you will see a link. Just click on the first link. You will redirect it to the official website of code blocks. And now go to the download section, and from that go to the download the binary release. After that, here you will see lots of options and versions of code blocks. For if you are installing a code blocks on Windows, then you have to download these file, and if you are using a Linux, then you can download other version. There are lots of version available here. Just scroll down, you will find a lots of option. If you are a Mac user, then you can download it from there, but I am going to download it for Windows. So there are lots of versions available. If you want to download the setup, only the setup, then you can click on the first link. This is this option. And if you want to also download the compiler along with the setup, then you can download this file, mingw setup.exe. So you can download it from two websites, that is FOSSHub and sourceforge.net. So I'm going to download it from FOSSHub. So guys, to download mingw setup.exe, click on FOSSHub, and after clicking, your download will start automatically. Now go to the download section, and here you can see that your download has been started. So I'm going to cancel it because I have already downloaded it for you. Now I'm going to open it. uh, After opening it, click on yes, and then your setup has been started. Click next, and I agree. uh, Again next, and select the file location. So I'm going to uh, install it in C drive and in the program section. So just click install. This process takes some time. Okay friends, the installation has been completed and the code blocks has been successfully downloaded in your PC. So just click on yes and the code blocks will start. Okay, click on next and finish the setup. So now we are going to run the code blocks, so it will take some time to open. Okay, so this is the interface of code blocks, and now if you want to create a file, you just go to the new and create a new empty file, and save it with .c extension. So test.c. So include, so you can see that this id is giving me suggestion. So this is what I am talking about, and that's why we use an id for writing our code. It also has syntax completion. You can see that whatever I'm special symbols I'm writing, it is completing it automatically. So in this code blocks, you all will also get a compiler which is pre-installed. To see the compiler settings, and then go to the compiler, and the compiler that comes with code blocks is GNU GCC compiler. So this is the pre-installed compiler that you will get in the code blocks, and now you don't have to install any compiler. You can write code and run the code in code blocks itself. So this is all about the code blocks, and if you guys want to use any other id, you can use it. In the next video, I'm going to tell you how to download Visual Studio Code, because lots of the people nowadays use Visual Studio Code. I would suggest you to use code blocks if you are a beginner, and if you want some advanced level text editor, you can use Visual Studio Code. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel.